In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create segments in close CRM. If you're looking to streamline your customer relationship management processes or just want a more efficient way to organize your contacts, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get you set up with smart segments that will make your workflow much smoother. First, navigate over to either the Leads or Contacts tab within Close CRM. Once you're there, you're going to click into the main search bar located at the very top of your screen. This search bar is your gateway to efficiently creating segments that suit your particular needs. Once clicked, you'll have the tools to define exactly what criteria you want to use to build your segment. This could be based on several different factors or fields provided by Close CRM. For starters, let's look at how you could filter by lead status. For instance, if you're only interested in leads that are already qualified, you'll type into the search bar, status, qualified. But Close CRM also lets you go much deeper than just lead status. You can utilize custom fields to further refine your segment. For instance, if your interest lies in a specific industry, input something like custom. Industry. Tech. This feature allows you to target a precise audience, which is especially useful for campaigns or targeting specific business sectors. Furthermore, you might want to look at activity-based segmentation. For example, you might filter your leads to show those who haven't had any communication in the past 30 days, using last communication 30 days ago. This can be incredibly useful for identifying contacts who may need follow-up or nurturing. Additionally, you could filter by user or owner of a lead by typing user, John Doe, allowing you to view leads that are specific to a person on your team. Now, Close CRM lets you combine these criteria. Whether you're using and or, you have the flexibility to create a segment exactly how you need it. For example, you could specify status, new, and user, me, to find new leads assigned to you. Once you have your criteria set, press Enter on your keyboard, and voila! Your dynamic segment will appear with the leads that fit your defined conditions. Satisfied with how your segment looks? Great! Next, you'll want to save this view for easy access in the future. In the top right corner, simply click the Save Smart View button. A dialog will pop up, prompting you to name your segment. I recommend a descriptive name, like High Priority Leads in Tech or Follow-up Required, No Touch in 30 Days. This will help you and your team quickly recognize the segment's focus. Finally, make sure to set the visibility of your new Smart View. You have the flexibility to keep it private for your own use or share it with the entire team, depending on your organization's needs. And there you have it. Creating segments in Close CRM is straightforward, empowering you to organize your leads and contacts in a way that optimizes your efforts and boosts productivity. Feel free to revisit these steps as often as needed until you're comfortable with the process. Happy organizing!